I'm just mentally preparing for this right now because I don't know what to expect, okay? Today, we're opening 100 Genesis terminals. These are 10 euro each. Actually, I think they're even more at the time of when I bought these. Now, a lot of people are wondering what this case is or what it's like opening, so I'm gonna show you guys today by opening 100. Are we gonna get a red? Probably. The question is, am I actually gonna pay for the red if I get it? I don't know. I think this is a bad case. I even made a whole video on my Anomaly 3 channel shitting on the case, but obviously I need to open it to show you guys what it do. But before I show you what it do, I want to thank today's video sponsor, which is CS Money. CS Money is a trusted trading site and marketplace where you can quickly trade for a brand new loadout in just a couple of seconds. They have reduced prices in the trade mode and a huge selection of filters for their over 1 million skins listed that have instant delivery. They've got many payment methods like cards, PayPal, crypto, and much more, and you can always trade your skins if you can't deposit. Their market mode also has a feature with lower prices and discounts, as well as an instant sell feature where they recently increased prices on user skins so you can insta sell them and receive more cash to spend on skins or cash out. So make sure you try out CS Money from the link in the description, and thank you CS Money for sponsoring. Now let's get back to the video. Without further ado, let's get started. I already have one that's open, so we'll start with this one. I only have 1.5 days to claim it if I want to, so this is so stupid. Not worth my bullets. Okay, like this is so anticlimactic, I'm just now realizing. Probably the rare, the last pull right now. Oh my god. And now the entire laptop goes away, and that's 10 euro just in the trash can. I don't even have a single skin to show for it. Okay, let's go again. Oh my, this is gonna be the saddest opening ever. I mean, 7 cents, fuck it, I guess I'll just buy it. I feel like I need to have some skins to show at the end of the video. Otherwise, I'm gonna be too depressed. Now it's the last one. Oh, purple. Wow. Look, by the way, that was the last purple we needed to see. You might think that's a really good thing because you heard the sound, right? The cool sound effect of opening something rare. Well, you didn't actually open something rare because you need to pay for it. And it's well worn. Fuck it. Okay, I'll buy this one. Whatever. I want to have some skins at the end of the opening. Otherwise, it's like I'm doing a case battle against Gaben and I'm losing all my skins. Realistically, I could end this case opening with 0 skins if I just don't buy anymore. Oh, factory. 6.7. This is worth 3 times more than the purple we just bought, only because of the float. Oh my god. I'm getting price gouged. Trust me, I just gave it a sniff. What freaky ass arms dealer. What do I do now? This is the first thing in the box. Skip and double it for the next person. Fuck it, I'll buy it. At least I get to have one skin with good float at the end of the video. Could I have gotten a red in those other 3 offers that I got in the terminal? Yeah, maybe, but I don't care. At least now I'll have a skin that I'll remember. It's nice float, it's factory new, whatever. Okay, next one. Come on. Funny how fast paperwork clears. Dude, stop sending me messages. Give me skins. That's a big weapon for such a small cage. That's what they say about my dick. That's a big weapon for such a small... Oh my god! It's battle scarred. Fuck! It's 70 euro. I got the Valorant skin for 70 euro. This is a scam. Do I buy it? It seems to be decently rare with a red. I would say similar to a normal case. Also, look here. We filled in one of the reds. It is 70 euro. What we basically have here is the Fortnite store, but we only have one item for sale. Is this item worth 70 euro? Oh, ew. Is this worth 70 euro? I just got so mad. I got rage baited by a guy in chat. I got so rage baited. Look, it comes with original owner sticker too. I was about to say every bad word in the book when I see this guy in chat. This original owner sticker, it does not fucking matter at all. Well, I guess I have to buy it. I don't want to, but for the sake of the video, now I'll end it with a red. That's quite literally the best thing I can do. This is so sad. I don't want to buy it. Guess what? You just hit the jackpot. Wow, there we go. AK the Oligarch. Oh, ew! What? Ugh! When I hold it like this, it looks so bad. Look at the color, guys. You don't got swagger like me. I got the AK with the NFT tag. Yeah, baby. This is what Zero Hose does to an MF, by the way. They care about their NFT tag. Let's keep going. Wow, I can't wait to get rinsed even more. Thank you, Mr. Arms Dealer. My ass is open for you. Just the purple, it's not enough for me to justify it. If it's factory new, maybe, but ooh, this one we haven't had. Why am I only getting battle scards? Ah, yes. They want 11 euro for this shit? Yeah, so fuck that. I'm not buying this one for 11 euro. No deal. Last offer. I'm not begging. Bro, like, this is so tilting. Can I get something other than field tested or well worn? Blue? Oh, okay, you see? Oh, it's double the price. I mean, shit. I hate myself! I'm such a fucking consumer! This is how I feel right now. Look, Marvel t-shirt. Okay, why does it say 38-year-old? Stop, please. How is this legal? I got offered a Nova minimal wear for 93 cents. I said no, thank you. Now I get offered a Nova minimal wear, but way more expensive. Like, you know me. I love Counter-Strike. I'm a professional Counter-Strike full-time dick rider, right? Woo! Okay, they heard me say professional Valve dick rider and then they give me this one. 10 euro. What? It's so dumb, I don't think this is a good choice. Field tested smoking kills. I mean, fuck it, I guess. Like, this is so dumb. What am I getting? Whoa! Oh, 23! No! I can't even afford it. Oh yeah, I didn't claim the bonus XP. Look, so you see how I've opened every single purple? Or I've seen it, at least. Then I can click get bonus XP, and I will get a level. And that's it. And there's no sound effect. And this is just a picture, and you can see it's glitched in the bottom. That's literally it. Can you leave a review for the arms dealer? No. Like, it's not Yelp, bro. Oi! Wait, our first Glock! Look, now we can claim the XP. Fuck the Glock, right? Actually, it looks kind of nice. But of course, haha, it's battle scarred. Like, you see, it would be kind of okay if it wasn't so battle scarred. 10 euro? No, that's ugly. I don't want it. Now, the only thing I want to see is the M4, and then I've seen everything in the entire terminal. Please, for the love of God. Did he die? Huh? I got scammed! Bro, you're like the only one opening 100 of these. Yeah, because I'm the only one clinically retarded in the CS scene, I guess. I'm the only one who's actually on paper disabled enough to buy 100 of these and open them and not even claim a lot. Oh, wow, I can't believe it. I don't want it. Oh, yeah, look here. What? 26 fucking euro. You have to be kidding me. So if I buy this today and people end up, for whatever reason, not liking the op and they skip it, this is gonna go down in price a lot. Private sale only, classified. Hope you put it to good use. Anomaly, he said private sale, so he's only selling it to you, bro. It's so real. That's like my poor dad if he was opening these. He would listen to this AI chatbot arms dealer and be like, wait, does that mean he's only selling it to me? Oh my god. He would buy it and be like, oh my god, that's maybe really good. I don't even have that many terminals left. I ran through 100. This is 1,000 euro. Holy, and I didn't even have fun. I didn't even get baited. And I had to pay for all the skins I opened. Oh my god, dude. I'm actually losing my mind. I figured you'd be back. Yeah, no shit. You closed the laptop connection on me, retard. Is this 40-year-old man aware that the arms dealer is not a real person? The guy said I went from first offer to third offer. Wait, what? He's right. Look, first offer declined. Why does it move to third offer? What was the second offer? I never got it. What? The arms dealer scammed me. No, I'm good. Thank you. Oh, no! Why is it battle scar? Ah! Why is it so much cheaper? The AK was 70 euro. This one's 40. Did I get scammed? This one's a crown jewel, but you know that. Their loss is your gain. How is it my gain when you're overcharging me 43 euro? This is supposed to be silver. Oh my god. I mean, at least I got the M4, right? Bro, I'm screenshotting this shit. There's no way I'm opening these again and now I have a memory. I have to buy it, unfortunately. I don't want to. Is this worth 43 euro? No. Okay, I'm buying it. Fuck it, I'm buying it. Look. 43 euro for the M4 full throttle. Authorize. That's so stupid. But we did it. And I have the NFT certificate on 2 battle-scarred reds. This is so bad. I saw all the skins now so I can get the bonus XP. Look, boom. That's so anticlimactic. I can't believe it. So I spent 1,000 euro for 4 levels. Nice. We did what we came here to do, which is just to showcase the terminal and see all the skins. I just ran through this one. Last offer. Oh my god, guys, I'm retarded. Field tested for 7.8 euro. And I bought Battle Scarred Red for 71 euro almost. I have zero doubt in my mind that all I'm doing now, I'm just burning money. I do not think I'm gonna be profiting anything. The AK, the M4, I'll be happy if I can sell them for legit 30 euro each. I'm not even kidding. So I spent 1,330 euro, and these are the skins I got. Quite exactly these ones, without the Bayonet lore. That's so bad. So if anyone is wondering, should I open Genesis terminals? Hell no. The only actual good skins I got were some of the pinks, right? But the MP7s, that's just trade-up fuel. And then the 2 reds, which I will admit, yeah, they are okay looking, but I'm just so sad they were both battle-scarred. But maybe I shouldn't be sad that they were both battle-scarred, because if they were field-tested, minimal wear factory new, I probably couldn't have afforded them today with the Steam wallet balance I had. I could have opened over 600 cases instead. And did I have fun? Definitely not as fun as opening cases. So thank you guys for watching. That was very horrid. I hope you guys learn from my mistakes and don't open Genesis terminals because they are very bad. If you get it as a drop, honestly, it's much better just to sell it on the market. Now I'm going to explain to my bank why I emptied out my account to buy the chance to buy another skin. Whoop him! Imagine spend money to depress. LOL.